Down clothing it's what people associate with RAB. We design down clothing for conditions all over the world, from damp, cool conditions here in the UK to really dry, cold conditions in other more exotic parts of the world. We begin the design process at RAB in a number of ways. We will either have an idea for a specific bit of kit that we decide there's a need for, or we'll find a fabric that we really want to use and think works really well in a certain product. Or some of our sponsored athletes might come along and request a product that we think is going to be worth putting in the range. And from there it begins a 6-month design and testing programme. During this time we'll develop maybe up to 3-4 prototypes, and they'll go off and be tested with various people. When we're testing here at RAB, we have 2 stages of testing. So we have the lab testing, which is basically the fabric testing, which we have an in-house machine and person to operate it. And then when the sponsored athletes are testing our products, and because they're in the mountains all the time, they know when something's going to fail, and they'll get through it pretty quickly as well. So they're pretty good people to get things out and tested. The athletes will give us feedback. From that we can then tweak the design or completely scrap the idea and start again. We do try lots of things, but we're also quite focused in our approach, so we're pretty certain about what we want to achieve each season. If something isn't up to scratch, then we'll drop it. There's no point chasing something that might fail on people. By the time something goes to store, it will have had 12 to 18 months of testing. The down clothing is the core of our business, so it's important that we keep products that are both the heritage pieces that people expect to see, and then bring in new and interesting pieces that are pushing the way forward for the RAB brand in design.